Hi, this is Kim Grossett, and I'm here to introduce a new Youth Media Award, the Best Environmental Protection and Climate Change Literature for Young Adults. Why have this award? Because more and more young people are protesting in the streets against climate change. They're looking for change in policies from their government and ways to put an end to fossil fuel use. Our winner this year, 2022's best book for environmental studies, is The Story of More: How We Got to Climate Change and Where to Go From Here. This book is written by Hope Jahren, an internationally famous biochemist and biologist who's been studying climate change for over 30 years. She wrote this book, The Story of More, for a general audience and has now adapted it for young adults. She's made it concise and with straightforward writing and terminology, easy for the audience of 12 to 16-year-olds to understand. You don't have to be an environmental scientist to understand this. She explains climate change in a way that's easy to understand for the layperson. From population changes to our dependence on fossil fuels, it covers all about climate change and global warming. There's no doubt this book will guide young people in their quest to make changes to climate change policies. We have 3 honor books this year. Our first honor book is Glowing Bunnies, about bioengineering animals. Jeff Campbell writes about this topic like it's something out of science fiction, very appealing and engaging for the audience of 11 to 18-year-olds. His writing style makes it accessible to young adult readers, and there's an excellent glossary in the back if there's terminology that's not understandable. He makes bioengineering easy to understand. Our other honor book is Where Have All the Birds Gone? Nature in Crisis by Rebecca Hirsch. Rebecca Hirsch claims that 30% of all birds in the United States and Canada have disappeared since 1970. She lists many causes, including light pollution, pesticides, and even our pet cats. She explains how the loss of so many birds affects the nature's cycle of life, and in turn affects human life. This book is written for 13 to 18-year-olds, and Hirsch's writing style is straightforward, using simple terminology that non-scientists can easily understand. The content is extremely accessible to the targeted audience, and this book is a must-read for young bird lovers. Plasticus maritimus, an invasive species, is our next honor book for 2022. Pago, Martin, and Carvalho compare plastic to an invasive non-native species. Pago studied this all of her life while growing up on a beach. While she was young, she kept a journal full of hand-drawn sketches, which are included here in this book. Martin and Carvalho have expanded on the topic and used easy terminology to explain the composition of plastic and microplastics and how they make their way into our rivers, lakes, and oceans. The audience for this book is 12 to 18-year-old readers, and it's written in a straightforward style, making this scientific topic accessible to the audience. It includes suggestions for what we can do as individuals to slow the threat. Those are our 2022 environmental science climate change books for young readers. We look forward to seeing you next year when we introduce 4 more books.